Hey there everyone. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you the absolute best super trend CCI trading strategy for either scalping or swing trading in higher time frames. This method is incredibly simple and perfect for beginners. It works amazingly well on a 5-minute time frames and above, and to prove it, I'll be backtesting it 100 times using the price of natural gas. So make sure to stick around until the end to catch all the key details. All right, let's dive right in. We've got our chart open, and while this strategy is great for 5-minute time frame, you can also try it on 15 minutes or even a 4-hour chart and more. Now let's build our setup step by step. First, go to the indicators section and search for super trend plus select the one by electrified. The super trend indicator is based on 2 key values, period and multiplier. It's plotted above or below the closing price to signal a buy or sell. When it moves below the closing price, it turns green and signals a buy. When it closes above, it signals a sell in red. But for our strategy, we're not using the super trend in the standard way. Instead, we'll use it to find levels of support and resistance. Notice how the price action often bounces off the super trend line. Our goal is to identify the trend direction and enter the market when the price makes a pullback. This strategy shines in trending markets, but we might face losses in sideways markets. That's why we'll add the CCI indicator to confirm entries given by the super trend. So let's search for the commodity channel index or CCI and select it. Now let's tweak its settings a bit. The CCI is a momentum-based oscillator that helps determine when an asset is overbought or oversold. It assesses price trend direction and strength, helping traders decide when to enter or exit trades. The CCI is great for spotting new trends, watching for overbought and oversold levels, and identifying weaknesses when it diverges from price. In our strategy, the CCI will help confirm if a pullback is genuine. For instance, in an uptrend, a pullback is confirmed if the CCI shows oversold conditions. If the CCI doesn't confirm, we skip the signal. Here's an example: the price action pulls back into the super trend, but the CCI isn't overbought, so we skip this signal. On the second pullback, the CCI gets overbought, indicating a valid entry. Now that we know how these indicators work, let's go over the exact rules for entering long and short trades. Before we dive in, let me share some cool stuff we have at Income Nomad. We post free, effective strategies and daily updates on financial markets in our community tab. Don't miss our free trading course for beginners too. Liking this video helps us reach more aspiring traders like you. Also, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. For a long trade, the price must be above the super trend. The market needs to pull back with the candlestick touching but not closing below the super trend line. The CCI must show oversold conditions below -100. The CCI must then break above -100. Enter a long trade when a bullish candlestick closes above the most recent bearish one. Set your stop loss just below the super trend line and aim for 1.5 times the risk. If the candlesticks don't touch the super trend line during the pullback, it's invalid even if confirmed by the CCI. Here's another example: the market is above the super trend and creates a pullback. The CCI confirms it by showing oversold conditions, then crosses above -100, and the price closes above the most recent bearish candlestick. For a short trade, the price must be below the super trend. The market needs to pull back with the candlestick touching but not closing above the super trend line. The CCI must show overbought conditions above 100. The CCI must then break below 100, enter a short trade when a bearish candlestick closes below the most recent bullish one, Set your stop loss just above the super trend line and aim for 1.5 times the risk. Here's another example. The price is in a downtrend. A valid pullback occurs. The CCI confirms it, and then it signals a sell. Now that you understand the rules, let's see how this strategy performs in backtesting. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. After backtesting, I set my initial account size to $100, risking 2% per trade to make 3%. The win rate was 74%, which is outstanding for a 5-minute time frame. Over 5 months, the account grew by 427%, with a profit factor of 4.27, 12 consecutive wins, and just 2 consecutive losses. I'm thrilled with these results and give this strategy a 9 out of 10. It's definitely worth backtesting on different markets and time frames. Remember, each backtest is unique, so don't base your decisions solely on this. Looking to step into the world of trading? Look no further. Introducing FP Markets, your ultimate trading destination. With a stellar reputation since 2005, FP Markets stands as a beacon of trust in the financial world. Regulated and reliable, we're your gateway to success in CFD and Forex trading. Imagine accessing a comprehensive suite of trading products all from one single account. With FP Markets, it's not just a dream, it's your reality. FP Markets has transformed my trading experience. I can diversify my portfolio effortlessly. Their platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making trading a breeze. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your trading game. Click the link above or in the description below to sign up, join the FP Markets community, and start your journey to financial success today. FP Markets, where trading dreams become reality. By the way, if you want to see the highest win rate strategy on this channel, check out the recommended videos right here.